What's good, YouTube? So this is the next full wrap we got in store. It's a BMW M440, and it's in this really nice blue color with beige cream interior. Really nice spec. The 4 Series obviously is a 2-door coupe, so yeah, it's a girl owned. We're doing something pretty interesting with this one, so it's gonna be split down the middle, and the passenger side is gonna be gloss black. The driver's side is gonna be that pink right there. So it's gonna be really dope. That's how she wants it. That's how we're gonna do it. And also, the hood's gonna be carbon though, so everything's gonna be split down the middle other than the hood. And that's how we're rocking with this one. So beautiful car. It's a newer one, newer model. As you guys can see, I did pretty much most of the disassembly. Got the spoiler off. She's got a new carbon one that I'm gonna put on for her. And yeah, so you know, these trims off because it's way easier to just tuck behind there. Gas cap and the lower trims, the mirrors and the door handles. Once I do the door, I'll take those off. So with these cars too, these all come off. This trim, the roof rails are body color, so I have to wrap those as well. But the roof we're splitting on the middle, so one side will be black, one pink. Yeah, it's gonna be dope. I'm excited. I like doing I've done like two or three half and half wraps already. So as you can see, the carbon, the most realistic looking one on the market, and KPMF, this is a momentum pink. So we're gonna get rocking on this one, and I'll put you guys on a time lapse. This one's gonna come out sick, I think. Stay tuned. Final update on the Beamer, guys. It's finally done. As you can see, this side is this awesome pink. Hood's carbon, and the badges are carbon. Little inlays over the blue pieces. This side's gloss black. Yeah, I mean, as you can see, you know, perfectly split down the middle. These bumpers are crazy, but we got them done. Yeah, I mean, roof with the antenna as well is also split. Trunk, then you got the spoiler that she wanted on because the old spoiler was just the basic flat one. So this was it already had tape on it, but I think this is like hydro dip. It's not real carbon, but that's what she wants. Badges are back on. This badge is also carbon, inlays over the blue. Rear bumper, pretty simple. The biggest part about, you know, the half and half is just the measuring. Trying to get, you know, the perfect center of the car. And so what I did was I started with the pink side. And the pink side where I lay the knifeless tape it's not exactly in the middle, because if I put it exactly in the middle, then the black would overlap past the middle. So the pink side, whatever you do first has to go a little bit past the middle, and then the black will go a little bit past the middle, and it evens out, and it's down straight down the middle. So yeah, just measuring takes the most time, but everything's dead center. So as you guys can see, I think this pink side is dope. The gloss black, also I did the pink first because if she ever gets bored of the gloss black for some reason, you could take the gloss black off because it's on top of this seam, not under. I can't remove the pink and then do, you know, another color on top of the black, because then it'll just be uneven. So I did the pink first, this gloss black second, gloss black second. So if she gets bored of that side or something, you know, she could change it. But yeah, door handles, as you can see. Mirrors, we left gloss black because she said, I think she's gonna get carbon caps, she says. So no reason to do them. But yeah, other than that, everything came out sick. Let me know what you guys think. BMW M440 girl driven. And yeah, let me know. Stay tuned for the next one.